Let's look over copying a campaign. So Zeropark provides you with a convenient campaign copying feature, and it allows you to make a duplicate of your campaign while giving you an option to adjust certain campaign settings in the process. So we're going to create a copy of a campaign. In order to copy a given campaign, we're going to do the following. We're going to go to the Copy Campaign tab. Next, we're going to search for the campaign that you want to copy. Then you're going to select which campaign settings you wish to copy, and ticked settings will be copied. Unticked ones will have to be set manually later on. Provide a name for the new copied campaign, and click the copy button. Then you're going to confirm your request, and the campaign has been copied. So you can just hit continue. And your copy campaign will have the draft status. So to finish a campaign, you either have to click the finish draft option or edit the campaign and click the save button.